Hey, Mark the Meerkat here with Grok Trade and trade from the Grok Day Trading Chat Room. It was on TIF. Here it was at opening. Now it hit earnings this morning and had dropped like 10% in pre-market here. Right after opening, it started to boom up, filling the gap, and started to high base here. So I set a trade, let the market come to me. Let's see what happened next. And boom, there I am. I'm now in here on a TIF at 95.69. I am long. I'm going to set a trade here. I'm going to put it just below the $95 area. Fairly tight stop, but an even dollar amount may protect me. And let's see where we go there. And now pull back here. Pull back. Look at that. Just tagged the 95. I'm at 94.99 on my stop. Didn't break it yet. This red line represents where my stop was. The green line is where my entry is on this 1 minute candlestick chart. By the way, this is on my trading view chart rather than on my interactive broker chart. I'm just demonstrating this on today. And now it's going up. All right, here we go. Now we're back in the money in the price action. And right here at 96. Can't seem to break this 96 even dollar amount. Bring it down and still in it. We're still in it. 95 even dollar amount, still holding, and then right there, slammed down and got me out at 94.99 for minus 0.7% in 15 minutes. And then it proceeded to drop the rest of the morning and then pulled up. It was in a tight range for quite a while. So it was an expense trade there on that as our very first trade of the day here in the Grok. Here's our trade log from today. And look at this. First 6 trades, we were 1 out of 6 trades. Look at that. Minus 0.7, minus 0.1, minus 0.3, minus 0.6, minus 0.5. And I had a 1% income trade there. This is out of the first 5 trades. Ready to take a tilt break because the emotions while trading will kill your account. But again, persistence here is the lesson for today. Persistence in trading, and I didn't have any errors. And now look what happened here. The next 5 trades were income trades. So look at that. And then we had a couple of expense trades to finish out the morning. So our total for the day was 7 out of 14 trades for 50% success rate, a little bit lower than normal. But because we were able to cut our losers short, let our winners run, we ended up with 8.7% on the day. That's a net on risk. Again, with a model portfolio of investing $10,000 per trade, that ends up equaling about $870 in the positive after 2 hours worth of work on the market. Again, persistence. Had I quit at the end of 5 trades, I would have been down about 2% on the day. Instead, we ended up plus 8.7. If you'd like to join us in the Grok Day Trading Chat Room, in fact, let me show you what some people are saying about that. Go to groktrade.com. That's right, groktrade.com. Up here to Day Trading Chat Room. And we just had a woman who just joined us recently. Here's a chat page, tells you all about it here, and you can join us monthly basis or go to one of our webinars. And here's what some people are saying about the chat room right along here, but here's one I just added yesterday. This is from Lori, who just joined our room about a month ago. She said, the biggest change in my trading. She says, cutting losers short is the biggest change in my trading and has made a difference. I'm also a lot less emotional about my trading when I lose a trade. I had a good day. I'm learning so much here. And then she said some nice things about me. Yeah, you are a great teacher, and I really appreciate you and all the people here. I'm having so much fun. Now, she's a retired state worker from Wisconsin. Been trading with us for about a month. She's tried other chat rooms, but this one seems to be a place that's going to make a difference in her trading. So you're welcome to join us. Again, you can go up here. Join now on a per month basis, 7 days risk free. If you try us out for 7 calendar days, hey, if it doesn't work for you, that's fine. Full refund. If not, hey, just what, $147 a month. But most people make that back in the first day or 2 at the most. And so, or you can go to our webinar called How to Win at Day Trading Without Buying the Expensive Education That Takes You Years to Learn. Click here, you can attend that, and we have a special annual membership if you'd like to join us. Annual, again, 7-day risk-free trial on that. This is Mark the Meerkat. Hey, just remember that in trading, persistence and patience are 2 key characteristics of a winning, successful trader. Trade well.